So I've done all the backstitch now around the dragon, and now I'm going to do the backstitch for some of the text. So this text is shown in blue, as we said before, and if you look at the key, that means it's black backstitch, shown in blue to distinguish it from the black in one strand, and it's in 2 strands. So this means that we thread our needle as we did with the cross stitch, put 2 ends through and have the loop at the other end, and can do the loop start, so we don't have to worry about sewing the ends in to make it a bit quicker. So I've already counted down that my T of today is going to start at this hole. So it's just the same as backstitching with 1 strand, only you do it with 2 instead, and you can use the loop start. So I'm going to stitch through this word today, and when we get to the Y, it's got fractional backstitch, and I'll start a new video showing how to do that. So with these letters, it's quite nice to try and do the stitch at the back sort of diagonally like that to the next letter. I could have gone across here, but going diagonally means that the stitch won't show from the back. I can't find the hole. Oh, there. Nearly done with the D. You don't want to come up through the strands, between the 2 strands, because it just doesn't look that good. Doesn't matter that much, but just keep it looking nicer.